See, it still goes straight through, it's still there, but you can see it in the cloud. But the bug is spewing its snot out everywhere. Alzheimer juice. Anyway, it's lovely out there now, look. I'll prove it. I'll try if it stays in focus, won't I? Right, come on, back out, zoom out, yeah. How's that for a beautiful sky? These clouds look a bit dodgy, don't they? They certainly look a bit dodgy. Just colour wise, I mean. Alright, I hope. Oh, he stopped spraying now, that one. Anyway, bollocks to that. I'm not chasing it. He sprayed further back and he's cut off. I'm not going to try and focus on it again. Camera doesn't like it. I'll stick with what's obvious and there in front of us. With the sun going round, the other one over there is fading. It's still there, but it's just that the sunlight isn't reflecting it. These on the other hand, yes. And that, I see a few scars in that one. Anyway, oh, some put-puts. Little put-put clouds. For want of better wording. Right, the sun's gone down. The chem's back there. That chem back there's merged. There's a plain bit of contrail just on the right tip of that one. See, very small contrail. The other one now has switched to a very small contrail. Its trail splattered way back there. Unless it's another one coming through, I don't bloody know. Right. Nice warm evening. Actually, over at the church just before I turn this off, a cloud texture in there, just above that bush. It looks pretty nifty. And like I say, I can't tell if that's another one being chemmed in that bit. The other trail's there, but I've got the right one here. I can't quite tell. Anyway, and over that way. I'm just hoping the pictures turn out okay. I'll just go over there, let's see. That's facing north. Right, there you have it. So that hasn't bloody bored you shitless, not well. And there you go. It's nice to see the sun. I hope you get it over there in America. I really do. We're not all bad off here, you know. Some of us are awake and know what's going on. We're just as frustrated as you lot. I really do. Okay. Right. I'm going to get off anyway. I want a brew, and I think I've bored you shitless by now. Oh, that's a lovely shade of orange over there. Or shade of whatever it is. See what happens when I pick up a camera? All hell breaks loose, doesn't it? Alright, essays as well. There you go. Good night, everyone. Best wishes to you all from Darlington.